Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Hussain and I'm here with another video regarding our course of language skills. Our today's topic is fact and opinion. Fact and opinion are often woven together in texts and speeches. And in fact, they are woven in such a way that often students get confused to distinguish between fact and opinion. But the students must be able to distinguish between what is true and what is mere belief. Whatever is true is fact. In other words, fact is always a truth. It may be a universal truth. I will say that Earth revolves around the sun. And opinion is a mere belief. It may be personal. It may be my opinion. It may be your opinion. It's not necessarily true always. What is fact? According to Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, something that is known to have happened or to exist, especially something for which proof exists or about which there is information. So this is a fact that has happened. It may be some event, maybe some incident. It has existence and it has proof of its existence. About something when we get information about something. So this information may be a fact. As we say that COVID-19 is now decreasing in Pakistan. So this is a kind of information and it is based on the facts and figures that have been provided by different agencies. And if we say that COVID-19 will end up in September or by the end of September, it is mere opinion. It is not fact because it cannot be proven at the moment. Other few examples that have been taken from the dictionary. For example, no decision will be made until we know all the facts. This is an example of fact. I don't know all the facts about the case. So this is not about opinion. This is about fact. And you can understand what do we mean by fact by it. So I give you a few seconds if you can give me two examples of fact and fact around you. Okay, thank you. Next is opinion. Opinion is a thought or belief about something or someone. It is a judgment about someone or something. Judgment may be true, judgment may be false. Opinion may be true, opinion may be false. It is not authentic. It is just opinion, and opinion may vary from person to person, and facts never vary. So that is the difference between fact and opinion that may be understood by this definition of opinion as well. Examples, what's your opinion about on the matter? We can use both words, about or on. What is your opinion about this matter? So you may have your own opinion, I may have my own opinion. This is the difference between, but the matter is the fact. For example, I say we are going to offer 2 new BS programs in this semester. If it is authentic, it is a fact. And if you say that whether this program or these 2 programs will be successful or not, this will be opinion. Another example is, it is my considered opinion that he should be promoted. Again, it is not on fact. It is our own opinion. Fact is the mark sheet. Whether the student deserved to be promoted on the basis of the facts that he showed in the mark sheet. This may be on the basis of fact. But if I say that in my opinion, he deserved to be promoted, it means that it is an opinion, it is not a fact. So again, another example time for you. Only 2 examples of opinion. Just a few seconds, please. Thank you. And if you haven't written or thought about those examples, you may stop the video and you can think over it. So let us have a further comparison between fact and opinion. Fact is always objective reality, and opinion is subjective statement. When it is objective, it means that it doesn't have any biasness. I do not have my personal view over it. For For example, I say, this is my BS English classroom. This is a fact. But I say that this is a good room to study. This is a subjective statement. It may be good for me. I feel that it is good, and it may not be good for you or for anyone. So this is opinion. This is a subjective statement that shows personal feeling. Another comparison, that facts are always based on research and observation. As I gave you the example of COVID-19, that it is now coming down in Pakistan. This is on observation based. But if I say that, if I assume that COVID-19 will end up within a week or two, that is assumption, and that is not supported by any fact. Verification is possible. If I say that COVID-19 is coming down in Pakistan, we can verify it through data. But if I say that COVID-19 will end up in 2 weeks, it cannot be verified, because it is opinion, and it doesn't have any kind of aspect, element that can be measured. Fact is universal. I say that all the world is suffering from COVID-19. I say that because of COVID-19, all the education institutions have been shifted to online classes. That is a universal fact. But if I say that online classes are good for students, this is my personal opinion. If someone says online classes are not good for students, this is his or her personal statement. So that is opinion that changes from person to person. Fact is not debatable. We know that all the colleges are off. That is a fact. It is not debatable. No one can say that I went there and colleges were open, because colleges are closed. But colleges should be open or should remain closed for the next month. This is debatable. So there are different opinions. Private schools have their opinion that schools should be open because people are getting unemployed, and government has her opinion that schools should not be open now because it is a high risk of spread of COVID-19 among the children. So these are the opinions, and they are debatable. Facts are supported by proofs and statistics. We have discussed this already. And opinion is only a personal thought. There are few words that are particular in the language for facts and opinion. For example, I say the COVID-19 report confirms. So when the word confirms comes, it means that it's about some fact. COVID-19 report confirms that this result was negative or positive, that is confirmed. And in meanwhile, I say he may be positive, he may be negative, this is opinion. But when it is about report and it's about confirmation, when it is confirmed, then it becomes fact. Scientists have recently discovered, they have discovered some planet that resembles Earth. That is a discovery, that is a fact. Then, according to the result of the test, when I say according to, it means that is a kind of reference I am giving to some particular source. So this is also fact. The investigation demonstrated. When it has been demonstrated, it has become fact. I will say that investigation demonstrated that using the mask help you to avoid the spread of COVID-19. That is demonstration that has been demonstrated by research. Opinions are claim. He claimed that he does not have COVID-19 negative. But if there is report, it is confirmed. It's the principal's view that the classes should be opened in school, colleges should be opened from September. This is a view. The report argues that. Here is argues, not confirmation. In first example, report confirms, but here report argues that can be a report that is not based on facts and figures, or that may have opinions and arguments. Many scientists suspect. See, In the first example, we say the scientists have recently discovered. That is a discovery. But here it is, many scientists suspect that there may be some other pandemic in coming years. This is suspect only. So, because it has not been proven by any facts and figures, so it is still opinion until it is proved by some facts and figures. So you have this home task, and there's a very short homework for you. Write only 5 facts and write only 5 statements of opinion. So this is very short work, but if you do it, I'm very much hopeful that you can attempt this question in your examination. That is a very simple topic, but just we need a little practice. So do it, and if possible, share it with me in on my WhatsApp number, in your group, or in comments below. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.